Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's officially a party season, so today I came up with this glittery, shimmery kind of a smoky eye look which will be perfect for New Year's Eve party or any other party. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with the moisturizer, and for that I'm using this Forrest Essential Facial Hydrating Moisturizer. It's the sandalwood and orange peel moisturizer. So I'm applying it all over my face as well as neck. And then for the lips, I'm using this L'Occitane Rose Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. And then to prime my face, I'm using this Bobbi Brown face mist. And then for foundation, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Since for the party season or for any functions, I generally prefer a medium to full coverage foundation. So this foundation is perfect for these seasons. And I'm really buffing it into my skin with the help of a damp beauty blender. This one is from Real Techniques. And now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to sort of brightening up my under eye area, even though I do not have any dark circles. But still for today's look, I'm gonna work with darker eyeshadows so my eyes won't look dull and tired. That's why I'm using this concealer today and blending it out with the help of that same damp beauty blender to give it more seamless finish. And then to bronze up my face, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Flush palette and taking bronzer right here and applying it on the perimeters of my face so that my face doesn't look flat. And then for the blush, I'm using today Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the shade Wine, and I just literally touched the pan with a brush and look at the pigmentation. It's really very pigmented blush. And for the highlighter, I'm using this Ofracosmetics highlighter. It's in the shade Rodeo Dry. I am in love with this highlighter. Look at the pigmentation. I've literally just touched the pan with the brush and see how it's pigmented. So here I'm applying it on top of my cheekbones, little bit on forehead, brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, and little bit on my cupid's bow. And then for the brows, I'm using this MAC eyebrow styler. It's in the shade Spiked. So here I'm just filling up those gaps and combing up with the help of a spoolie to set them in place. And then moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Maybelline the Nudes palette and I'm taking one light and one dark brown shade and applying it on my crease and also deepening up my outer corner. This will act as a transition and also as a base for the eyeshadow which I'm gonna use later on. And now I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette and I'm mostly concentrating it on the outer corner to give it more depth and also creating a gradient. Now star of the show, I'm using here this Colorbar Moon Lava eyeshadow. It's the liquid eyeshadow in a sort of glitter and shimmer form. So here I'm using the shade Cosmo, and first I'm just blown away with the look at the pigmentation, guys. Look at the color and the shimmer in it. So I'm here just applying it all over my eyes, and then later on I'm gonna soften the edges with the help of this small synthetic sort of a brush, so that it doesn't look harsh on the crease. And this dries up very fast, so you have to work very quickly after immediately applying this liquid eyeshadow on your eyes. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use this peacock blue sort of a shade. This one is from Nykaa. So first I'm applying it on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna smudge it out with the help of this small brush and using that black eyeshadow. And then I'm using this Kiko Milano glitter eyeliner, and mostly I'm concentrating on my inner corners just to highlight and give some pop to the eye makeup. And then to finish it up, I'm using this Bobbi Brown eye opening mascara and applying it on top as well as bottom lashes. But if you want, you can go for slightly more dramatic look by adding a pair of false eyelashes. Those will give slightly oomph to the eye makeup. And now to set the concealer and also my face, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Compact and just lightly dusting it all over my face as well as neck to set everything in place. Now for the lips, I'm using this MAC lipstick. It's in the shade Twig. It's sort of a peachy nude kind of a shade, which will be good for this eye makeup. And that is the final look for you guys. I hope you like this very glamorous and party makeup look. All the products that I've used here are mentioned down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I hope you have a fantastic and fabulous party season. See you in my next video. Bye.